The Access Control Manager system is an IT-friendly physical access control system for enterprise-class installations. It's a complete solution that helps keep your focus on securing your people, property, and assets while giving you the flexibility to respond to alerts wherever you are. The ACM system is equipped with a full set of standard features, such as a 100% browser-based system, provides access, video, and intrusion, event, and alarm management, includes open architecture that supports open LDAP and open field hardware, redundancy using hot standby auto failover hardware, replication of data that globally synchronizes access information, and much more. There are 5 key reasons to deploy an ACM system. No server or client software to install, no costly client licensing, annual software licensing, or software and support agreements to renew. Manage enterprise access and events on your terms and with the devices you use every day. Capitalize on company investment of existing hardware or choose to move from proprietary or unsupported hardware to the ACM system. Integrate with identity management systems to connect IT and physical security systems together. Map enterprise roles to physical access to enforce policy restrictions. ACM also offers enhanced video integration with Avigilon Control Center software. Our latest video management software also offers enhanced support with Avigilon's ACM system, enabling users to easily grant remote access without needing a physical connection between the camera's digital output and the access door. This new interaction with ACM connected access doors allows the operator to remotely open a door from a camera view in ACC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like our Facebook page.